What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and we are starting out this vlog at Super Street 2018. It's probably way too loud to film anyways, but yeah, we're gonna go check it out. There's some cars already showing up. Started right now. Jesus Christ. Look at this Challenger over here. This thing's wet. I know this is a Mustang channel, but come on now. Come on now. GTR squad, this one's an Alpha 10. This shit is crazy. It has teal T37s. Alpha 10. Here's K-Von's Mustang. I know, his wrap is crazy. It's like a big mirror. Beamer gang. The wide body on this is wet. Got a little aerial view. It's a pretty big meet. It's on air. Finally caught up to the Mustang. Now we can walk around this thing. Oh. Tinted as fuck. You can't even see the inside. Looks like it's wrapped Nardo gray. He's got the stalker hood. Damn, this thing is wet. Hit it! That was Mars GTR. His GTR always fucking, it pops.
He got a McLaren.
You got a McLaren? I don't care because the GTR is way sicker. All right, we're saying goodbye to my dream car right here. One day, my car will be bagged and wide-bodied. Sad moment, we're leaving. All right, I think at this point, I'm gonna whip out the Osmo and probably do a small edit for you guys. All right, we're gonna switch to the Osmo right now. Let's get this edit.
Shoot, huh? Shoot. Chopper on me, fuck a Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, shoot. Heavy weapon, shoot. Chopper on me, fuck a Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon, heavy weapon. Book a flight to Dubai on the weekend. Bitch, I'm geeking. Bitch, I'm piped up. Tote weapon, keep my weapon. Pimp a broke bitch, made that bitch rich. Mac 11 on me, yeah, we told them pose. 30 Sprite, yeah, I dropped the fucking beam. Walked inside the crib, two bad bitches on my bed. Chain swinging off my neck, bitches breaking neck. I just threw a Zan, asked this bitch, she dropped the split. Hop up in the phone, hop up in the license. Hop up in the phone, hop up in Mercedes. 10 grand for a show, running up that stat. Yeah, your bitch, yeah, she want me for some cash. She don't wanna leave me alone. Chopper on me, fucking Smith & Wesson. Keep my weapon.
All right, we're coming to the end of the meet right now. I think we're gonna try and catch some people rolling out, and then we're probably gonna be heading out. I hear people swinging it and revving, so we're gonna try to catch some of that on camera. Hello, there's a cop right over there. Holy shit. All right, we're calling it a day on that one. We saw some cars roll out. It was a good show. Saw a couple of dope Mustangs in there. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. But it's slowly getting shut down. We've got some cops right here. So yeah, we're heading out back to Santa Cruz. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.